Judge Barrett demands Patel's sources. He holds up declassified memo bearing her name. The tension in the courtroom was palpable as Judge Amy Coney Barrett fixed her gaze on former Trump administration official Kash Patel, demanding he reveal his sources for explosive claims he had made under oath. The case, which has drawn national attention, centers on allegations of government overreach and the weaponization of intelligence agencies, a controversy that has only deepened with each new revelation. Patel, a key figure in the Trump White House and a vocal critic of what he calls the deep state, stood firm as he faced the judge's pointed questioning. Then, in a dramatic moment that sent murmurs through the room, he reached into a folder and produced a declassified memo, one that bore Judge Barrett's own name. The document, previously hidden behind layers of classification, appeared to implicate her in discussions or decisions that Patel suggested contradicted her current line of questioning. The room erupted in whispers as lawyers on both sides leaned in, straining to catch a glimpse of the memo. Patel's legal team argued that the document not only vindicated his claims, but also raised serious questions about judicial impartiality. "Your Honor," Patel said calmly, "this memo speaks for itself. The truth is no longer classified." Judge Barrett, known for her unflappable demeanor, paused for a long moment before ordering the memo to be entered into the record. The prosecution objected vehemently, claiming the document was irrelevant and meant only to distract, but the damage may have already been done. Legal analysts watching the proceedings immediately speculated about the memo's contents. Was it a routine administrative note, or something far more consequential? Outside the courthouse, reporters scrambled to parse the implications. Had Patel just exposed a conflict of interest at the highest levels of the judiciary? Or was this a strategic deflection, a last-ditch effort to undermine the case against him? One thing was certain. The stakes had just skyrocketed. With the declassified document now part of the public record, calls for transparency grew louder. Congressional leaders demanded an investigation, while social media lit up with theories about what other secrets might still be buried. As the hearing adjourned, leaving more questions than answers, one truth became undeniable. This was no longer just a legal battle. It was a showdown over accountability, secrecy, and who gets to control the narrative in an era where the line between justice and political warfare has never been blurrier.